Hey everybody, Steve here. Thanks for tuning into my channel. It's been a little while since I last uploaded a video. So today what we're doing, I ordered the new Tecsun S-2200x and FedEx just dropped it off. I don't usually do videos like this whole unboxing thing, but I figured I'd share it with all my radio subscribers. So here it is. I already slit the box open, but I haven't taken it out yet. So it's facing the wrong way. So there it is. Let's see how it looks. Bear with me. I'm just using my iPhone to film this. All right, so there it is. Brand new. I ordered this from a non-company. They're out of Hong Kong, and this came rather quickly. I'm surprised. I ordered it last Friday morning. Today is Wednesday, and I already have it in my possession. One thing that worries me, I just noticed a little bit of damage on the box, so hopefully there's nothing wrong with the radio. Let's see if that was, yep, definitely. I'm not going to show that side because my address is on it, but yeah, there's damage there. So FedEx, if you're watching, I'm pretty sure this was done by you guys. Nothing against you, but hopefully there's nothing wrong with the radio. So let's have a look. Let's see if I'm opening it backwards again. There we go. There's our instruction manual and everything else. Very nice. Yeah, they package these things pretty good, so I'm sure there's nothing wrong with the radio. Oh, what is that? It looks like a USB adapter. Yep, plug in the wall for charging. This guy's got lithium-ion batteries. So the predecessor to this was the Eaton Elite 750, and before that it was the Grundig Satellite, I believe 750 as well. So this is the newest version of this radio. It should be in the same chassis. Yeah, there we are. And of course, I'm opening it the wrong way. Wow. So at first glance, it looks like it's a different color than the Elite 750. Let's see what we got in here. Yeah, it looks like batteries are there. Yeah, this guy comes with rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Like I was saying, the predecessor, it came with an AC adapter or it ran on D-cell batteries. So let's have a look. Yeah, color is definitely different than the Eaton version of this. Bear with me, I might have to do a cut in the video, but if I do it in a single take, congratulate me. It's a little hard to hold everything here. Yeah, definitely a different color. Just gonna turn the camera off for a second. Okay, I got my hand back. Yeah, it's definitely a different color than the Eaton Elite 750. The layout is very similar. I got the Eaton right under me actually, so I'm gonna compare the two. Let's put this guy right here, the box on the floor, and I have the Eaton right here under the table. Yeah, there we are. Yeah, so there you have it. There they are. I like the Eaton's color better. This is a little strange. It's like a taupe type gray color. The layout of the buttons and controls is the same as the Eaton. Let's see here. Okay, I see the difference. There it is. They put that button on the bottom there. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be doing more videos. I'll do my own little review. I am in no way an expert on radios. I just have fun. This is a hobby, something I do just to kill the time, especially in the darker winter months. It's what I like to do. So I'll do a little review of it and I'll let you know how it compares to the old Eaton Elite 750 here. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Take care.